Getting started. Getting started with ShowPres is easy. In just a few clicks, you'll be up and running, ready to create and publish your content. Registering on ShowPres gives you full access to the content management system, enabling you to set up screens and publish your presentations effortlessly. It's quick, free, and easy to get started. With ShowPres, you seamlessly add, upload, edit, download, save and publish your content. This hands-on approach allows you to experience firsthand why ShowPres is the ideal tool for creating dynamic digital signage presentations. On the ShowPres top menu bar, select the Sign Up button, which is the second button from the right. Follow the prompts to create your account. Fill in the registration form with your login details. Note, your email will be your username. Click the Register button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to create your network name. All users are required to have at least one network. Select or click Save to save your network. ShowPres networks integrate campaigns, playlists, channels, players, and devices into a unified content management system. Once the network setup process is complete, you will be directed to your network's dashboard. The ShowPres dashboard is your centralized hub where all your content campaigns and playlists are managed. Each campaign houses responsive layouts, including landscape, portrait and social variants. Campaigns equipped with built-in playlists can be assigned to multiple channels, enabling distribution across various platforms with different screen dimensions seamlessly. Selected users have access to these networks for collaborative content creation, management, and distribution. Each user can create multiple networks and share access with others.